Race number 5. Instant replay po natin. Hatid po sa atin ng
Santana Park. Sa aksyon, patok.
Away they go. Manila's Jam from the outside by the release has it coming in between runners. Quick Action Sambat, while Simple Beauty is the early trailer. Has it coming Manila's Jam, and joining them is Sambat. Quick Action racing in fourth by Sam 2 lengths, and Simple Beauty is running by the fifth. 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Sambat from the outside, Manila's Jam in the middle. Has it coming running by Darrell, passing the half-mile post. Sambat and Manila's Jam is running down on the inside. As it coming is racing in third by Sam 4 lengths. Quick Action and Simple Beauty. 2 runners still Battle Royale in front position. Sambat, Manila's Jam is running down on the inside. Has it coming as they race the last 400 and going to the final corner is still 2 runners is still on the Battle Royale. Manila's Jam down on the inside and Sambat from the outside. Manila's Jam on the inside, Sambat from the outside, and nearing the last 150. Manila's Jam is running by the Sambat is on the outside. Manila's Jam, Sambat, Manila's Jam, Manila's Jam, Sambat, Manila's Jam, Sambat, and finally it's Manila's Jam, Sambat. As it coming, Quick Action and Simple Beauty.